What is up, everybody? So today we're going to be using this video as an update to our mowing kit that we have on our machines. And this property is a one-time only mow, so they're not a regular customer of ours, which is why you'll kind of notice that the grass is a bit more overgrown than usual. So we're going to do one pass only with our machine, and we are going to do a before and after of the results. So check it out, see our process, and we are going to do absolutely no grass pickup. So keep that in mind as you're watching the video, and thank you for joining us today, and let's get to it. So what you're about to see in the following clip is a comparison between the mowed side and the unmowed grass, so we can kind of get a perspective of how high the grass is, and with just one pass it's getting mowed up. So as promised, here we go. Here's our before and after. The before is on the top and the after is on the bottom. So as you can see, this is with one pass only and looking real clean on the bottom. I reversed the footage on the top before to line up with the after. So you're probably going to see a car, a red truck driving in reverse right about now. Thank you for joining us on our updated video for our mowing kit. That's it for the day. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.